Gigiri police station will remain in custody as investigations continue into the escape of 13 suspects, including a prime suspect in the Kware murders, Collins Jumaisi. The officers are among 8 senior officers implicated in the escape, but are the only ones who are presented in court. And as NTV's Rose Wangoi reports, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations is seeking to have the officers detained for 14 days, pending further probe on whether they had a hand in aiding the escape of the suspects.
5 out of the 8 police officers implicated in the escape of 13 suspects from Gigiri police station were arraigned at the Milimani Law Courts, with investigators seeking to hold them for longer. The 5, Corporal Ronald Mabo, Constable Evans Kipkirui, Constable Millicent Acheng, Constable Zachary Nyabuto and Constable Gerald Mutuku were on night duty when the 13 remandees, including the main suspect in the Kware murders, Collins Jumaisi, escaped. The other 12 Eritreans were detained at the police station for being in the country illegally. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, asked Senior Principal Magistrate Martha Nanzushi to lock up the officers, saying it needed time to wrap up investigations into the case.
The court does allow the state to hold the 5 respondents for 14 days to enable the investigators to conclude investigations on the case of aiding escape.
On the fateful day, Corporal Babo was the duty officer, Constable Kipkirui was the cell sentry, while Constable Mutuku was the report office personnel. Constables Acheng and Nyabuto were the station guards. The officers are among 8 senior officers implicated in the escape, but are the only ones who have been presented in court. Among those who were interdicted included Gigiri Officer Commanding Police Division and Gigiri Police Station OCS, but they did not appear in court. In their application, the DCI detectives handling the case said they needed time to conduct forensic lab analysis on the suspects' mobile phones and analyze CCTV footage. The officer investigating the matter told the court that they are yet to record statements from over 5 witnesses. They requested that the officers be locked up at various police stations, including Spring Valley, Parklands and Runda. The investigator told the court that other accomplices are still at large. The officers were remanded until Thursday, when the magistrate will decide whether to detain them for 14 more days. Rose Wangoi, NTV.